Hey guys, welcome to Scalar Swim Revit course. One of our subscriber asked me how to create roofs with different slopes. This video is for that person. Hope this helps. And to give the tailored answer to your questions, it would be helpful if you can elaborate your questions, share a screenshot or a file with the questions. So we have given a link for that in the description where you can upload your questions and we can provide accurate answers. This would make it easy for you and us to solve them effectively, right? Now let's get started with the roofs with different slopes. Let's see how to create roof with different slopes. Okay, so for that first go to the level, floor plan, go to architecture tab, under roof click on roof by footprint. Now using the drawing tools, select the outer edge of the room. I'm using the rectangle tool and it is a 400 mm one. I'll just change it to 125 mm and the base level is level 2, base offset is 0, and in dimensions I can see that the slopes here are of 30 degree. Okay, so let's see how it looks in 30 degree slope. Okay, so this is how by default it takes 30 degree slope. What if I have to change it for different slopes? To do that, go to select the roof, go to edit footprint, go to the plan view, select the line. If when we select the line, the properties changes. Here we can define slope if we want, or we can uncheck this, and if the slope we need the slope, then we can also change the slope angle here. Okay, we can do it here or we can directly change it here also. So let me say it is 45, it's 25. I'm just giving some random angles. Okay, I'll change this one here. This is 20 and I'll undefine the slope here. So this is how I'm giving slope. This is 45, this is 30, this is 25 I guess, and there is no slope here. If I give finish, I can see that it automatically takes the roof like this. Okay, so select all instances visible in view, attach so that there is no gap. See, for random angles also by default it takes the slope whichever we give. Okay, so we need to calculate the slopes first as per our requirement and then put them in here. Okay, or else what we can do is we can adjust the height of it. Okay, using this we can adjust the height of it, but the slope changes. If we adjust the height, the slope changes. Now if I see, this slope has changed. While these remain the same. Okay, so this was one thing. If we have to do it using the roof by footprint, the other thing is we can select any of the elevation. I'll select the south. Okay, I'll go to roof by extrusion. Here it asks for work plane. I'll click on pick a plane and level 2, give OK. This is here. Now using the drawing tool line, I'm setting a height here. Okay, so 100 to 110, right? And when I draw, I'm just keeping it as 35-degree here. Okay, I'm just clicking, and I'll use this. Say 20-degree, right? I'm gonna trim this. Also, we can extend this, right? So this is how I want my roof to be. In this way, I'll click on finish, and once it's done, I'll select all the walls visible in view, attach them to the roof. So this is how we can define different slopes for different edges of the roof. I hope it clarifies the doubts. Hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.